Hey, Fun Facts Unleashed crew. Let's play a little guessing game. What's small, sour, can make your face scrunch up instantly, and yet has a superpower list longer than your grocery receipt? If you said lemon juice, you nailed it. Sure, we all know lemon juice makes lemonade, but did you know it can do so much more? Let's start with the obvious. Vitamin C powerhouse. Back in the old days, sailors used to carry barrels of lemons on ships, because it kept them from getting scurvy. Imagine traveling across the ocean with nothing but salty water, hard bread, and lemons. But wait, it gets cooler. Lemon juice is a natural cleaner. Stains on your cutting board, a little lemon juice will wipe them away. Want your kitchen to smell fresh? Squeeze a bit into some water and zap it in the microwave. No more spaghetti explosion smell. Now here's the weird one. Lemon juice works as an invisible ink. Write a secret message with lemon juice on paper. Let it dry. Then hold it near a light bulb, and boom, your words magically appear. James Bond vibes. Anyone. It's also an amazing natural bleach. Have a shirt with a stubborn stain. Rub a little lemon juice on it before washing. Boom, brighter clothes. But carefully, you don't want to bleach your whole wardrobe on accident. Unless you're into that tie-dye look. And did you know lemon juice helps keep fruit fresh? Cut apples or avocados turn brown pretty fast. Right. A little squeeze of lemon juice, and they stay looking like they just got sliced. Here's a question. If life gives you lemons, are you making lemonade, invisible ink, or just throwing them at your annoying sibling? Be honest. So next time you see a lemon, remember it's not just a sour fruit. It's a tiny yellow superhero packed with secrets, waiting to unleash some fun facts into your life.